The bottom of the bodice pieces should reach the lower edge of your bust. If they do not, you can lengthen or shorten the bodice as needed using the provided line. To adjust the length of the front bodice, follow these steps. Cut along the marked line on the front bodice pattern. Once you've made a cut, decide the length you need to add or remove from the front bodice. Align and connect the separate sections to complete the pattern, ensuring that the new length fits your desired measurement. Maintain the size of the dart, but change its location if necessary. Remember to also lengthen or shorten the back bodice and front facing by the same amount. You can adjust the dart's placement to accommodate the new bodice length while keeping its original dimensions. Taking the time to create the right bodice length will help you create a well-fitting hanbok wrap dress. I hope you find the clip useful during your hanbok sewing. I will meet you in my next video. Bye now!